The Miele Complete C3 Comfort Vacuum Review. Sold by Rish Express. Introducing the Miele 12031700 Complete C3 Comfort in Graphite Grey, a powerhouse in home cleaning. Equipped with a power efficiency motor, it ensures strong and consistent suction for thorough cleaning. The HEPA Air Clean filter captures up to 99.999% of fine dust and allergens, ideal for allergy sufferers. A spacious 4.5-litre dust bag efficiently collects dust, dirt, and debris, reducing the need for frequent changes. Versatile universal floor nozzle seamlessly transitions between carpets, laminate, wooden, and tile floors. With a 12-meter operating radius, it effortlessly covers large areas from the bedroom to the living room. Integrated accessories include a suction brush, upholstery nozzle, and crevice nozzle for detailed cleaning. The practical accessory compartment keeps all tools within easy reach, enhancing convenience. Designed for comfort, it allows for effortless maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces. Perfect for households with pets, it effectively removes pet hair and dander from various surfaces. Durable and reliable, the Miele Complete C3 Comfort ensures long-lasting performance and satisfaction. Experience the ultimate in home cleaning with the Miele 12031700 Complete C3 Comfort Vacuum in Graphite Grey. If you're looking for a vacuum cleaner that's built to last and delivers consistent results, the Miele Complete C3 Comfort could be the perfect fit for your home.